Hi everybody, I'm Shauna, and this is Ring of Light Crafts. Welcome. Today, we are going to do a real quick pull, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to once again use the craft of square. These are 8x10 canvases from the Dollar Tree. And the number on this is 632. That's wrong. Try it again. My eyes jumped. 63927762195. And they are the craftable squares. If you guys want to buy these in quantity, because right now they're kind of hard to get a hold of, you want to go on their site, put in craftable square and then look through that to try to find them. You can also put in stretch canvases, craftable skills, square, but be warned, you're going to get a lot of different stuff coming up. And if you cannot find them and you keep doing it over and over and over, most likely means they're actually sold out. I say that because I've been trying like crazy to find them. Okay, so we got our little 8x10 here. And go ahead and put it back this way. The canvas that this is on, guys, this is something else. This is another project we're going to do. It's going to be bloody awesome. It's going to be awesome. Okay, we are going to use all colors here. And let me grab my little store stick because I did not do that. Now these are basically, pre-mixed with everything already. But I am going to add just a drop or two. Let's quit, boy. That's my doggy. Oops, that came out a lot. Let's add extra here just because I want to make sure it works. Okay. Now I went ahead, I added a little extra of that, because I'm out of my mixing media, but these ones have been pre-pulled. Remember how I always say I always save the leftovers, just in case. This is why. This one's too thick. We're going to add some water. If your paint is too thick, you guys, don't hesitate to add water. Oops. Don't need that much, but just add any brand of water, or just regular water out of your sink, you guys. You don't need to waste your good water. It's still a little thick. I figured this won't give me problems. We're going to hope that this works well. Without my actual media, we're going to see what we get. Dang. Okay, that's better. Now let's get our orange, our yellow going here. Okay, yellow I thought would be good. See how nice that throws, you guys? Okay. So, now what I'm going to do, in case you guys are wondering, I'm actually going to go ahead, throw these sticks on this canvas and let them stick to the canvas, because our next project is going to be pretty cool. Okay, so let's get started here, you guys. I'm sorry, here we go. We are using an apple builder acrylic paint. Remember, the X's mean they were pre-done. They don't normally come like that. They were pre-mixed. And once again, we're going to do orange, black, and we're going to go ahead and do the yellow. And I forgot my hairdryer. So with that said, let's just give this a second. Let me grab my hairdryer real fast. Do not want to use my torch in the house, you guys. So, here we go. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry about this. I really thought I had it all done. Forgot that I actually unplugged that. Okay. I did a live before this. It didn't record. Okay. So notice this isn't pre-painted. So I'm going to go ahead and move my colors out of my way. I am going to go ahead. Here it is. I'm going to use the black. Do I have enough in this? We'll just use it right out of the container. Now remember, this is pre-mixed, so it's going to have bubbles. We're just going to go ahead and drag it right out of this bottle here. And let me go ahead and grab my black thing here. And we're just going to go right ahead and smear this all over the canvas. Don't worry about it getting on the canvas below, because I'm going to use that for something else. Alright, let me just throw that back on canvas. We're going to let it stick to it. Sorry about my hand. I'm grabbing paper towel here for my hands. Okay, So now we got this little guy started. Let's have some fun, shall we? We're going to go ahead and take a small Dixie cup. You guys, Dollar Tree, you know, just the little cheap things you can cut up and throw away, so it recycles easier. Or do the paper. You don't have to, I just recommend it. Pouring in a black, about like so. Okay, we'll go ahead and take our, let's do our orange next. About like so. Look how cool that looks on top. Can you guys see how cool that is? I just love stuff like that. Let's go ahead and take our yellow. Now really take a good look at this. That's bloody awesome, guys. I just love this. That's awesome. Liz, stop, boy. He's allergic to everything, guys. He did take his medicine, though. I make sure. So what we're actually going to do, is going to be a little messy probably, but who cares? We're going to take our paint and our canvas. I'm going to tilt it, pull it this way. And now what I'm going to do is just slowly let it run out. Just slowly. I bet there's going to be a big suction here and it's going to squirt. How's it going? Can you see it? Okay, let's just pull this up. Just move it around our canvas. Oops. I knew it would do that suction. Okay. So here we go. Let's see what we can get. See those incredible cells starting. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Okay, let's go down here. I want to cover as much of this canvas as I can. Yes, puppy, I know you're there. And not lose too much paint. But I do want to get some of the edges. I really, really, really like how the edges look once you get them all nice and dry. Because some cells will fall down the edges, guys. And it's just amazing, I think. All right. Let's get this side going. Look at that. I love yellow. I may actually take a chance on ruining it by adding some more yellow in here. Get that to come down on this canvas. Back it up. Let me turn it around. Why don't we do that? You know, there's no law saying that we have to take our first try, right? You know, we got some awesome cells starting. I mean, we really got some amazing cells coming alive right before our eyes. Can you guys see those? But you know what? Just because we can, I should have kept my original cup, but what's left over will go back in their containers. We don't want to waste. Let's go ahead and do this. I added some orange yellow. Now I am going to add a little bit of black. Just a little. And here's to starting over, right? I do like what it looks like. Once it dries, it'll be awesome. But I want more color. So we'll go ahead and just... Oh, look. One's coming up right before our eyes. Too cool. Go ahead and we're just going to pour this in some areas. It's just some of the darker areas. I really wanted the yellow and the orange to show more than the black because I'm quite fond, as y'all know, of oranges. So we're just going to... Let's see how this changes the whole scope of this. Let's just see what it does. What do you guys think so far? So I left it the way it was? Or was this a good idea? Try it again. Oops, let me get a hold of this. Alright, guys. I'm actually not going to lose all the black here. We're going to leave it just like that. And let's take a second. Can you guys see it over here? Can you see this orange here? That cell? Some of these cells are just amazing. Look at them starting, these little ones starting on their own. Just so cool. You're watching this one here grow. That's cool. I love the cells because if you look at them and you really watch them, you can see the other colors just popping out. Once again, I do apologize for my voice. I have lost my voice. It's coming back. And you guys, you will be seeing more videos coming up. I have several that I've done during the time that I actually lost my voice. So I'm sorry if you don't like the music. And if you want to know exactly how I did something, please feel free to text me. Put in a comment, how exactly did you do this? I'd be more than happy to reply. So anyways, you guys, we do have all these wonderful little cells starting. We have a lot of orange. You know what? Just because we can, let's add some yellow. Just straight up yellow. And let's just kind of pour it, try to cut some of this orange. And there. And let's just see what we get. Let's kind of spread it. Okay, I actually like it just like that. So we're going to go back a little with this. Yes, Samson. Samson liked it too. Pull that down. Oh, let's pull that down. Okay, guys. That's cool. I like that. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and grab my handy dandy hairdryer here. And we're going to go ahead and put it on low heat, you guys. Always when you test your hairdryer, put your hand here and bring it up high. You know, hand down low, hairdryer up high. Don't burn yourself. And put it on low. Make sure that you're not accidentally putting it on high. Okay. And look at these cells. Just within seconds. And it's not even really, oh, it's getting hot. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. I love this. Let's see if we can get some cells right through here. Sometimes it'll let you, sometimes it won't. Look at the little ones starting. Go ahead and pull it way over to the edge. And this way. Trying to get these cells right through here. Well, just a wee bit bigger. But I don't want the paint cracking, and I'm sorry to crack it, so we're going to pull it up. And just go someplace else with this for a minute. Then we'll go ahead and come right back around. And let's just see if we can get them open just a wee bit. Maybe not so great. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm wrong. I love the cracking. Almost done, guys. What do you think? Alright. I think we're done. Let me turn this off. And I hope you guys like this little tutorial. If you like this kind of stuff, or just this tutorial itself, feel free to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to click that bell once you subscribe so that you can get further notifications when I'm coming back on with another video. And at this point, I really truly thank you all very much for joining me today. And as always, be blessed.